Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to invite friends on Bybit Exchange. For that, launch your Bybit mobile application and here on the home page you will be able to see this reward hubs tab. Now if you are not able to find it here, then tap on the more option and here you just have to go to the earn section. Now in the earn section you can see that we have the rewards hub option as well as the invite friends option. So if you tap on the invite friends option, you will be landed on this page where you need to tap on the invite friends option here, and as you can see that we have our Bybit code as well as the QR code. So you can either copy the link by tapping on the copy link option, and you can even choose any of the social media applications to share your Bybit referral link with your friends and family members. Now you can even save it as a poster. So if you want to do it, then tap on save as poster and then it will ask you for the permissions of your photos. So you just have to simply allow them, and this particular poster will be saved in your gallery. So you can even share it with your friends, so they can either use your referral code or they can even directly scan your QR code so that they could join Bybit with the help of your invite link. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.